How to trade stocks in 2021. Have you ever wondered how to approach the stock market and start trading stocks? In this video, we will give you a full-fledged answer to this question, starting with how to find and choose a broker, and continuing with which assets to favor. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. To start trading stocks, you need your main instrument, a trading account. You can open it either at a broker or bank. But how do you choose the right and reliable company if you're completely new to the market? We've made a checklist for you. First thing, make sure that the financial organization is licensed. You can easily find all the documents on the official website of the chosen company. Secondly, check for how long a company has been operating on the market. No secret that the longer this period, the more reliable a company becomes. Choose brokers that are at least 5 or even better, 10 years old. Thirdly, check the trading conditions. You are interested in the following: commission fees for money depositing and withdrawal, whether they are high or low. Fees for trading stocks. Of course, the lower, the better. The number and types of available instruments. If a broker allows trading exclusively premium class stocks, such as Tesla or Google, you might not have enough investment to trade them. Diversity is the key here. Last but not least, check the chosen broker on aggregators and in ratings. Usually they provide all the information mentioned above, as well as the feedback from other traders that might help you make up your mind. As soon as you've chosen a financial partner, open a trading account there. Now, you need to decide how much you are investing in stocks. On one hand, the answer to this question looks simple. Invest as much as you can afford to lose. This is the most rational approach. The larger your investment, the higher your potential profit, but the greater your risks. There's no magic number that is suitable for all the traders in the world. Also, account for the volume of your investment, or how many stocks you buy, and the price of one asset, meaning the price of one stock. Moreover, note that some brokers set a minimum investment for trading stocks, which can be practically any sum they want. Now, let's decide what to invest in, or which instruments to choose. Here, we'll discuss not just the stocks of individual companies, but the types of assets. The thing is that stocks of companies comprise stock indices that you can also invest in. You can trade stocks via CFDs. Also, there are ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, another type of asset traded on stock exchanges. Here are more details. Indices. In simple words, an index is a set of stocks. For example, a popular Dow Jones index, you must have heard about it, consists of 30 largest companies traded on U.S. stock exchanges. Mind that traders operate only derivatives from indices, such as CFDs. A CFD stands for a contract for difference. The difference is in the asset's price, the one you buy a CFD at and the one you sell it at. There are CFDs on indices, stocks, metals, and so on. The main difference between trading real assets and CFDs is in the opportunity to use leverage. As for ETFs, they are generally speaking sets of stocks traded as one instrument. There are index ETFs that are copying the structure of stock indices, commodity ETFs uniting certain goods, say precious metals, branch ETFs uniting stocks of one sector, and others. An ETF is quite a new instrument gaining popularity. To sum up, on step 3, choose your instrument for investing in stocks. If you choose CFDs, you will get access to higher leverage and will be able to open buying and selling positions. Also, you can choose classical investments in stocks. In this case, your starting investment will be larger, but your risk a bit smaller. Another option is trading ETFs. If you are interested in investing in a certain sector of economy or a stock index, ETFs will be a perfect choice for you. So, what have we learned? 1. First, choose your broker. 2. Then, decide upon an affordable sum of investment. 3. Finally, choose your trading instrument. And don't forget the golden rule of stock trading. Know your goal. Thank you for watching. If you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with investing.